During that 1st of March report, right, I mentioned that you want to look at BA. Okay, so if you look at BA over here, there was a buy signal, and with that buy signal right now is up, right? And I did mention in my previous report that you want to look for a buy signal before going in. So congrats to those of you who have traded on BA. Right now it is in a very good $10 over kind of profit. But of course, if you use our profit signal, you will have known to get it on the 12th of March, because our profit signal will have prompt you and send an alert to your phone. For those of you who do not have this service, you might want to join my free workshop training happening soon, so that you can actually know more about the profit signal. But generally, as long this low is not broken, I would say around 140 to 150 is always a good price to buy Boeing up. So you can see over here, it dipped below 150 and started going higher already. That's for Boeing, right? Congrats to those of you who traded on Boeing. Of course, in my last edition, I also did mention on DG, right? Okay. And in my last edition, I mentioned that you want to buy around at $70. So when it was published, the following Monday, on the 3rd of March, it actually went down. And even on Tuesday, on the 4th of March, it went down as well. But in my previous edition, I said that you want to buy around $70. So over here, you can see that it dipped to 70.01. So that is a good buying point on the 4th of March. And if you bought around at $70 or even $71, it did surge all the way to above $85. So if you look at it, let's say even if you buy at $71 and you sold at 85, this is a $14 kind of profit. And because of that, on a $70 stock, $14 jump, this is very close to $20 profit in just about 1 week of trading. So congrats to you who have got easily 10% or even close to 20% kind of profit from following my instructions on DG during my 1st of March edition. But of course, in my 1st of March edition of my money report, I also did mention ADM. I mentioned to buy at 46. So similarly, after it was published the following Wednesday, 5th of March, it dipped below $46 and target 49 to $52. So even if you target $49, buying at 46, you will easily get above 5%. Right? Okay, but of course, if you target 52 and sell it, right, or after that, it came back down, right? Like I say, all these are short-term trades. Buying of 46 and getting out at 52, which is mentioned in my previous money report. Over here, this is a difference of $6 on a $40 over stocks. This means that you easily get more than 10% return in just about 1 week of trading it. So congrats to those of you who have traded on ADM. Apart from that, I also did mention on Intel, right? Okay, I did also mention on Intel to buy below $22 to $20. So it did dip all the way to below $20, right? Which is a very good buying opportunity. Like all my previous edition, I have mentioned it before, on and off, right? So buying below 20, as of now, it has surged to 24. So if you bought at around at 20 and right now 24, you would have already have a $4 profit on a $20 stock. That is about 20%, right? Okay, 20% profit. So congrats to those of you who made this big winning trade again. But like I say, right now, maybe you can still aim for 26 or even break a new high. But definitely you want to take partial profits if you have traded it. Why I say this is because the good buying zone is around $20 to $22, right? Or even $21. But the best buying zone is always below 20. And stop loss is the all-time low here. In fact, all-time low here is around 18.50. So as long 18.50 is not broken, if it's just deep below 20, you might want to continue to buy again, right? To go in again. But definitely right now, I'm already having a very good profit out of very short-term kind of trade. I traded at $20 and right now it's at 24, making a 20% capital gain in just a very short span of less than 1 week. I'm very happy with my profits. I'm closing a lot of my trades on most of my shareholding on Intel and waiting for it to maybe dip again and go up, right? I'm still holding some, aiming higher at 26 to 27. If it does goes to that level, I might even close a little bit more of my shares to lock in the profits as well. So that's for Intel, right? Congrats to those of you who have traded it